Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 29th video for Apex series. In this video we will be understanding what are child queries. So now you might be thinking, Trisha, we have already done where clause, we have understand how we can use by order by limit. So that is sufficient if I talk about MySQL, but it is not sufficient if you are doing it in Salesforce. So you know that in Salesforce we have two type of relationship. One is the master detail relationship and another is a junction type, or second is a lookup type of relationship, and we have a third scenario as well where we utilize two master detail relationship in order to get the junction. With same, we if you want both object details, like here if I talk my example, I need all account versus all its related contact. Is there a way in order to get the same? Answer is yes. We have a child query, which is also known as inner query. So in this video we will be not be understanding what are inner queries, but we will be also understanding the business scenario where it is getting utilized further. So let's start working on the same. In order to understand the child query or an inner query, we will be taking the example of account versus contact. For the same, we will be first creating an account. So let's go on to account tab, and in order to create an object here, so what I record here, so what I will be creating, I will be creating an account name as Salesforce by Sachdeva 1, and once this record has been created, further I will be saving this out, and after saving I will be creating multiple contacts that will be associated to this so that we can get the data. So first name that will be coming is my name, Trishu Sachdeva. Similarly, if I click save and new, I will be creating my surname, that is Varang Sachdeva. Then further I will be adding my wife name, that is Khushbu Sachdeva, and I will be saving this out, and again I will be creating one more record, that is Vrinda Sachdeva. So once these four records have been created, now my query is I need to get all the things. Either I want a Salesforce by Sachdeva name 1, or let's give a phone number, let's give rating equal to hot, let's give phone number as 98989852. Similarly, we will be adding one type. So let's add type as a customer partner referral. So we need to get all these fields as well further, and we will be getting all the contacts as well as per this. So here there is a need for a parent to child query. So in order to do the same, what I will be doing, I will be going on to developer console. So let's land on to developer console here, and if I click here on the developer console, first thing that will come in your mind is to let's start with doing a basic query, that is on account. So what I will be doing, instead of using a query editor, I will be utilizing open anonymous window. So here I will be taking list of account because my main query will be on account here, that is ACC list. And further what I will be doing, I will be just adding. So let's decrease the size for the camera because it is taking very much space. Even I need to learn OBS. So further we will be adding a round figure. So I am not getting the time in order to learn the same. So what I will be doing, I will be doing select ID, comma name, comma type, comma rating, comma phone from account. So simply what I will be doing, I will be getting it from account, and further we will be doing system.debug equal to ACC list. If I go here as ACC list, and if I execute it out, so as soon as I execute it out, it will give me the list. If I click debug only, so I will be getting all the account with rating equal to and everything. But here I just need one account, that is Salesforce by Sachdeva 1. So I will be adding my where clause. So this is revision what we have done in the last videos, where name equals, I will be adding colon here, and here I will be adding Salesforce by Sachdeva 1. So once this is done, we will be again executing it out. So as soon as you execute it out, you will, when you click on debug again, you will be getting all the things, that is name, type, rating equal to hot, and for the phone. So now there comes the real POC. So now I also need to get the first name comma last name from contact. So what I will be doing, I will be just making my query debug again. So I will be opening the normal. So comma, I will be adding a comma after phone. So here I will be writing an inner query. Since we are dealing with one to many type of relationship, so we have one account that is related to multiple contacts. So we will be doing select ID comma first name, name comma last name, name from contacts. So now you might be thinking, Trishu, why we have taken contacts, not contact? Because we are dealing with the plural. Why plural? Because one account is associated with multiple contact. So that's why we always take it as plural. So further we have everything now. So I know that this will work. So but I don't want it like this. For now, what I will be doing, I will be doing account ACC on ACC list, and once ACC list is added, so what I will be doing, if not, we don't want to add any if else condition, so we will be doing system dot debug accounts details are as under, and further we will be adding slash n so that it can go into the next line, and further we will be adding system dot debug. So let's make it fancy so that it should look beautiful. Account name is s plus acc dot name. Similarly, on the same pattern, I will be copying this out and I will be pasting it into the next line again and again. So let's copy it out, paste, account type is so acc dot type. We have next as account rating is, here we will be adding a rating here, and after rating what we'll be doing, system dot debug. So let's add system dot debug, and here we will be adding account phone is plus acc dot phone. Once everything is done, so now we can check the data out so that we can see our query and we can see all the debugs that we have written here. So if you see here, we have everything, account details are as under, but it hasn't given me the channel. So let's debug it again. So we have done the query here. Okay, so now it is a time to do iterate our contacts as well. So simply what I will be doing, I will be doing the inner query in order to get the contact because it is under the account list. So acc dot contacts, and further, so what I will be doing, system dot debug contact first name is plus con dot first name, and further I will be adding system dot debug contact last name is contact last name is plus con dot last name. And after that, in order to add a separator so that our debug look clean, we will be adding the multiple hyphens in the same line. Debug, and here we will be adding multiple hyphens here. So let's add multiple hyphens here. Yes, and after that we will be saving this out. So let's execute it again in order to check if we are getting the data or not. So simply we will be clicking debug. So you are seeing here I am getting all the account details, Then the contact first name is Vrinda Sachdeva line, Trishu Sachdeva line, Gurang Sachdeva line, and Khushbu Sachdeva line. Through this way, we can utilize the inner query in order to get the details. Now I have already told you that why we are utilizing the contacts and the product name. So now where it is being utilized. So let's take an example. If I need a roll up summary or I need to concat the name of accounts. So I have two options. Either I can go with the nest, that is a nested map in which we can create a map of account ID versus list of contact, or you can go with this approach. So these approach are very much utilized in wherever we need to play around with multiple objects. Either it is account contact, account opportunity, account case, or case comments. These things are being utilized here. So this complete our today video. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I will be bringing more such content in the future. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.